DeepSite is a new AI playground built right into your browser. It uses DeepSeek V3, one of the most powerful code generation models available, to help you build software just by describing what you want. Want to build a game? An app? A dashboard? A startup landing page? Just say it. DeepSite will build it from scratch and even host it for you. No login. No API keys. No installations. You don't even need to know how to code. Whether you're a developer looking to speed up prototyping, a startup founder sketching out ideas, or just someone curious about what AI can do, DeepSite turns your browser into a full development environment. And yes, it's 100% free and open source. So what exactly can you build with DeepSite? Let me walk you through 5 absolutely wild examples, each of which you can try out right now. The first thing I tried was a Flappy Bird clone, but with a twist. I typed, build a cyberpunk-style Flappy Bird game with neon graphics and sound effects. In just a few seconds, DeepSite generated the full game code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, with responsive controls, obstacle logic, and a slick neon theme. All I had to do was press run. No local editor. No debugging. It just worked. Next, I asked it to create a simple time-tracking app, basically a Clockify clone. I gave it a prompt like, create a web app to track time for multiple tasks with a start/stop timer UI. It generated a clean, fully functional interface with buttons, timer logic, and even local storage to track task durations. Imagine building your own productivity tools in minutes, all through conversation. Of course, I had to see what it could do with retro games. So I asked, make a Pong game with a cyber theme, explosions when the ball hits the paddle, and score tracking. And wow, the result was not only visually engaging, actually felt fun to play. The code was clean, modular, and readable, even if you're not a developer. This isn't just toy code, it's legit. Then I wanted to test something more business-oriented. Build a dark-themed landing page for a productivity SaaS product with a hero section, pricing table, and contact form. In under a minute, DeepSite delivered a beautiful, scrollable page, complete with animated buttons, clean layout, and mobile responsiveness. This is huge for indie founders, marketers, or anyone testing new ideas. You can skip the drag-and-drop builders and generate the whole thing, including deployable code, instantly. Finally, I wanted to try something fun and offbeat. So I said, create a vintage-style Photobooth app with filters and frame effects. The AI gave me a full browser-based app that used the webcam, added filters, and wrapped the photo in a Polaroid-style frame. It was quirky, creative, and surprisingly polished, and it took just one prompt. What makes DeepSite special isn't just the raw power of DeepSeek V3, though that's a big part of it. It's the experience. You're not copying code from ChatGPT. You're not fumbling with files or setting up a dev environment. You're vibe coding, telling the AI what you want, getting real software back, and watching it run instantly, all in your browser. It's fast. It's accessible. And it's free. You can try all of this right now. No login. No email. No credit card. Just go to that link. It's in the description too, and start building your next app, game, or a landing page with nothing but a prompt. This is the easiest way to explore AI-assisted coding in the browser, and it's completely free. If this blew your mind like it did mine, don't forget to like the video, share it with your AI-curious friends, and subscribe for more deep dives into tools that are shaping the future of creativity, code, and beyond. Because the future of coding might not be coding at all.